Welcome to our video, Top 11 Essential Gardening and Home Tools You Need. Whether you're a passionate gardener, a DIY enthusiast, or someone who just loves keeping their space organized, we've gathered the best products for all your needs. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 11. This handy tool is perfect for loosening soil in your garden or potted plants. Crafted from durable plastic, it's lightweight and easy to handle, making it ideal for everything from vegetable beds to small, delicate succulent arrangements. Number 10. These pruning shears feature high-quality, ultra-fine polished blades that ensure clean, sharp cuts. Ergonomically designed with non-slip handles, they offer comfort and a strong grip, making them suitable for extended use. Capable of cutting branches up to 3/4 inches thick, these shears are perfect for trimming fruit trees, flower stems, and other branches. The labor-saving design allows for semi-mechanized operations, perfect for working with fruit plants like watermelon and cucumbers. Number 9. These LED bulbs create a warm, realistic flame effect, instantly adding a cozy atmosphere to any room or garden space. Offering multiple modes, including flame, normal lighting, and breathe mode, these bulbs automatically remember the last setting used, making them convenient for everyday use. Environmentally friendly and easy to install, they're a fantastic alternative to traditional gas lanterns, ideal for spaces like bars, restaurants, and even outdoor garden setups. Number 8. If you've ever struggled with tying plants or securing vines, this tool will be a game changer. Weighing just 0.53 kilograms, it's lightweight and extremely efficient, capable of tying 3 to 4 times more plants than manual methods. This tapener tool is ideal for larger planting areas, saving you time and energy. Number 7. Labeling your plants has never been easier with these waterproof plastic tags. Available in packs of 50 to 100, these tags are durable and resistant to fading, helping you keep track of all your plants. Perfect for both outdoor gardens and indoor plant pots. These labels ensure you always know what's growing where. Just write on them with a marker, hang them on the plants, and they'll stay in place season after season. Number 6. For those looking to add a touch of wood grain to their walls or furniture, this DIY graining tool is a must-have. Made from soft, non-toxic rubber, it's durable, wear-resistant, and provides beautiful wood grain patterns. Simply roll it over wet paint to create a detailed wood texture on walls, furniture, or doors. It's perfect for anyone interested in adding a unique, artistic touch to their home decor. Number 5. Say goodbye to weeds with this stand-up weeder claw, designed to uproot even the most stubborn plants with minimal effort. Constructed from sturdy iron, it's durable and resistant to bending, making it suitable for use in various soil types. Simply step on the foot pedal, and it digs into the soil to pull out weeds by the root, saving your back from bending and your hands from getting dirty. Number 4. This garden auger is a fantastic tool for quickly planting bulbs, grass plugs, or even small annuals. Made from high-strength steel, it attaches to any standard electric or cordless drill, allowing you to dig holes up to 7 inches deep with ease. This auger is also excellent for uprooting weeds, helping to keep your garden neat and well-maintained. With its efficient design, you can plant in record time, perfect for any busy gardener. Number 3. For those who need an efficient watering solution, this electric spray bottle is the answer. Equipped with a built-in 2,000 mAh battery, it offers up to 8 hours of operation per charge. Its 2-liter capacity reduces the need for constant refills, and with just one click, you can start or stop spraying without straining your hand. The adjustable spout lets you choose between a fine mist or a concentrated stream, making it ideal for both delicate plants and larger cleaning tasks. Number 2. This smart irrigation system takes the hassle out of watering plants. It includes an automatic pump controller with up to 8 heads, so you can water multiple plants at once. With a customizable schedule, you can set intervals and watering times tailored to your plant's needs. Number 1. This unique thumb knife is perfect for harvesting fruits and vegetables. Featuring a high-quality stainless steel blade, it's sharp, durable, and rust-resistant. The soft silica gel around the blade provides comfort, making it easy to wear without slipping or causing discomfort. That wraps up our list. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and top picks. Until next time, take care.